Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to do today, I'm so excited. It's a fall DIY and we are going to make a sign using some of Cricut's permanent vinyl that has its premium vinyl textured metallic. And I thought it would be so pretty on this sign that I want to do. And I may incorporate some Arteza vinyl in there. I'm not sure. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer. So we will go ahead and start this. So you just go to the circle with the plus sign, click on that. That'll take us to our canvas. And then you just go over here on the left side where it says images, click on that. And then my internet is really slow today. But you go up here to the right top corner in the search box and just type in fall. And then this is going to give us some pretty fall designs. And I want a saying, and I'm pretty sure the one I want, let me find it, is this one, Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pies. Pretty sure that's the one I want. So I'm going to click on it. It'll put this green box around it. So I'm going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images, and it will put it on here. Now let me see how high, how big I want this, because I bought some wood, they're basically like a wood canvas from Michael's. So let me see how big I want this. Okay, I think I want it. Let's go up to the top where you can unlock it. And the length, I want it, I think 10.5. And let's see what I want for the width. I think I want 7.5. Okay, and then we'll lock this back. I think that's going to be really, really pretty. Okay, and you'll see if you look over here to the right layers panel, it's all set to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and go to make it, top right corner, and we'll be using 3 mats. And you can see the writing is basically just all there. And then if you go over here, our little hearts are going to be different colors. I think, like I said, this is going to be precious. Okay, now you don't want to mirror this because it's vinyl that we're putting on like this. So we don't mirror it. Now I'm going to come down to the right bottom corner, continue, click on that. And then I have my Cricut set on custom, and I want browse all materials, and I want to type in vinyl. And like I said, this is the premium vinyl metallic, and it's right here. I'm going to click on that. That'll put that green check mark beside of it, and I want to make this a favorite, so I'm just going to hit the star so I won't have to look for it next time, and then just hit done. And then the next time you see me, we'll be cutting this project out. Okay, now let me show you. This is the, it's Artist Loft, and it's Art Wood Panel Value Pack. And you got 5 pieces of this at Michael's. And I don't remember how much it was. I think when I bought it, it was like 50% off. And I ordered my glasses, but I don't have them in, and so I have my really old ones on, and they don't work very well. But I went ahead and painted it, one piece of this with this Waverly Chalk paint in mineral, okay? And I love that. So that, I hope you can see how this is turning out. But I think this with this will be beautiful. Okay, and I just got my chalk paint at Walmart. But I haven't been able to find the mineral color. They still have the slot for it, but I haven't found anything. And then I think, because I want some pretty hearts in with this, I think I may put in some of this from Arteza, and maybe this color that I used before. So let me go ahead and cut this down to size, and you will need some transfer tape. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just going to put this right on my light grip mat. And I definitely need to clean this. I say this all the time, but I haven't done it. Okay, then all you have to do is just put this in here and click on the blinking arrow. Okay, and then hit the C and it will cut it. And it's cutting mat 1. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And you can definitely reuse this and try to get some of the sticky off of it. Like one of you mentioned, I love that idea. And this weekend we were so fortunate. I've been wanting a hutch to put in. It's really kind of like a study that we have. It has a fireplace and everything. You've seen it in my videos. And I found a hutch. A man was selling it, and I got it for $125. It is so cute. So I've been working on that, trying to get it all cleaned up and ready. And we'll have so much fun decorating it for fall and Christmas. My eye is getting better. I'm still on my drops until this Wednesday. And I'm still not wearing makeup. And I have to be careful if I get near a lot of dust, which the hutch kind of irritated it. But it's getting a lot better. And I'd like to thank all of you for your prayers and your sweet, sweet comments. And I'm trying not to edit a lot out of my videos because it just kind of tires the eye. So these videos are going to be a little different. Okay, we're almost finished. All right, we'll just eject it. Then we'll go ahead and just weed this. When I saw this at Michael's, I was like, oh, this would be beautiful. And I didn't add any extra pressure when I did this. This is going to be adorable. And it seems really easy to weed. Especially if I could see, it would be a lot easier. These glasses that I've had for so long, and they're broken, but I just never really wore them. This is so pretty, and it has so many different fonts that I really like that. Make sure I got everything off. Oh, here's some. My husband's in the next room sound asleep. He worked so hard yesterday. We were so busy trying to get that hutch. And his dad and brother came over to help us. They brought their truck. Because we don't have a truck. We really need one, but we don't have one. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. Oh my goodness. If you make this, just be careful because down in through here, there's all little places that have to come out. And if you're not careful, you might not see it. And I'm trying to make sure that I have everything off. And that's what we're getting so far. I think it's adorable. Then we're just going to take this. I was hoping it would be big enough. And it's not. I know what I'll do. I'll do the bottom. I'll do the top. And then I'll put the bottom on. It'd be easier if you could have just put it all at once. I think we'll still manage to do this. And you'll be able to see better than I can. Just adhere this on here nicely. And then we'll just put this right on this one. And that's what we're getting so far. Is that not pretty? These signs are so expensive in a store. Okay. Then we'll put this about, right there. Okay, and then we'll start to peel this back. Okay. All right, the next one we're going to do, we're going to take this orange that's Arteza. Now, I don't have a coupon for this anymore. It expired the 18th, but if you're interested, I'll put a link to order it. You don't have to have it. The only problem with the Arteza is you have to set it on cardstock. Okay, and then we're just going to put this in and cut out these hearts. Okay, we'll eject it. One heart. I don't know why when I can't see good, I can't think good. Alright, we have the little hearts. Now let's do these. Load this one, and we'll cut out these hearts. It's the only thing about the Arteza, but you can work around it. I was hoping I could do this all at once, but no. Well, I might be able to get enough of that. Now this goes right. Let me make sure I get this straight. Now check, make sure you look at your screen to get this like it's supposed to be. I feel like I'm all crooked. Okay, then we'll put that down. And then we'll just rub this on here. Okay, then we will just piece these on. So this, you really should have bigger ones to do it. So I think I'll put this one about right here. And I really didn't rub that one hard enough. I could cut another one out. And I might do that. And there's one that goes here. And we'll put this up just a little bit more than the other one. Because where I messed up on this one, I just reapplied one right over the top of it, and you can't tell it. Let me see if I want to do something else to it, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here it is. I think it's so pretty. I added some Dollar Tree rope around the edges, and then I took some Dollar Tree little pumpkins and put them in the corner, and I think that is so pretty. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies with some pumpkins. Now, if you wanted, you wouldn't have to put this rope on it. You wouldn't have to add the little pumpkins. You could even take some more paint and kind of distress it in a darker shade on top of that. The possibilities are really endless, but I really wanted this. But I love how this turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.